Bonjour! Hi! This is a very special episode. It's the first of its kind on this channel. So it's a stream summary. So what I do is in few minutes I summarize a long stream. So usually my stream are about 2 hours minimum. So in this video it's like few minutes, I explain what it is, I give a bunch of short links, and the full version is on my new channel that I just started, where I will be sharing also a bunch of behind the scenes and tips and tricks to get better when creating content, like how to set up your lights, how to present, how to prepare a technical presentation, how to edit a video, how to all those things. I will share that with you on that other channel. So I invite you to go there, of course, after this video. So now let's focus. Stream summary, stream number 101, and it was in June the 3rd. So this stream is a little bit different than the usual because it was a stream highly focused on maintenance. So we started the stream doing a new project, a new board that is available online, so the link should appear on screen. And we did that so we could share all the different projects, all the new ideas, all the stuff we want to do. You could go there and add more into it, add comments if you want to participate to those things, because like for example, I'm looking for an art for the new project, Tiny Blazer admin website that we just start. So I'm looking for wallpaper or icon or something like that. So you're not the designer, you just want to collaborate and add some stuff, like feel free to add. That's exactly for this. After that, we jump into the AZ URL shortener, another project we're working on that stream. And there's a few issues that was added or a request that was done in the GitHub, so we spend a little bit of time flagging them, putting the good label, responding to some question. So we did a little bit of that. But I was so excited that I couldn't resist, and I start creating the GitHub repo for the new project. And here we're exchanging, trying to find a good name for this project. And we find out with Tiny Blazer admin. I really like that. It's really meaningful. So like, yeah, super cool. So feel free to go check what's in there. Finally, we spent a little bit more time because one of the issues that was found was really a bug. So we deploy a new solution and test the bug with the step to reproduce it. And in fact, it was a bug, so super nice. Now it's found, so we just need to merge, to do the fix and stuff. So really helpful. So if ever you find a bug, feel free to go in GitHub and write an issue. It's there for that. And if you think you have a solution and you can fix it, you could even do a pull request, so a suggestion. You do the code on your side and you push it, and it's really fun. I use that. I merge PR 99% of the time, so really looking forward. So if all of that interests you, go check the full version of the stream, and otherwise, come join us in live on twitch.tv/fbucheros. See you soon. Bye.